Say, Charles, this is a wonderful barbecue.
It certainly is, Charles, but the kids are a little bored.
I'm bored.
Yeah, me too.
Well, why don't we think of something fun to do?
I don't want to.
How about playing with your toys?
Want to play catch with Grandma and Curtis?
I'd rather play with my pecker.
Well, I suppose we could ask the donkey. Say, donkey, what could the kids do for fun?
That's a great idea. What do you say, kids?
And I'll drive us all over there to my new car.
What a wonderful trip.